Today we are learning about picture graphs. A picture graph is a visual way to record information. First, we need to understand how picture graphs work. So today I collected information from my first graders and put it into the picture graph that you see here. I wanted to find out if more students in my class had dogs or cats as pets. I made this graph, and on the one side I listed the categories that I was going to pull. One category was named dogs, another was named cats, and the last category was titled both. This category meant that a student had both a cat and a dog as a pet. Then I went around the room and asked each student if they had a dog, a cat, or both animals as a pet. If the student said that they had a dog, I added one bone to the column titled dog. If they said they had a cat, I added a picture of a mouse to the column titled cats. Or if they said they had both a dog and a cat, I added a paw print to the column both. This is what my picture graph looked like after I had asked every student in the class. From this graph, I can learn a couple different things. For instance, I can tell by looking at this graph that the most popular family pet in my class is a dog. I have 10 students in my class that have a dog as a pet. I know this because after I polled all the students in my class, I had 10 dog bones in the column titled dogs. This is more pictures than I had in my cats column and in my both column. This tells me that most students in my class have a dog as a pet. I can also tell from this chart that only 3 students have both a dog and a cat as a pet. Having both a dog and a cat as a pet is the least popular family pet. I know this because I can see that I have 5 students that have just a cat as a pet, and I have 10 students that have just a dog as a pet. But I only have 3 students that have both animals as a pet. Now we know just a little bit more about how to make and read a picture graph.